6 rounds, it feels really nice.
Yeah.
6 rounds in a small frame. Change the sights.
Heavy enough to soak up a little recoil,
But not too bad to wear on the hip.
Nope.
See the hammerless design.
Oh yeah.
No snag point there. Yeah. Nice.
Very, very nice.
We like her.
Yeah, it looked like it was handling pretty well.
Yeah.
Ron Dutzik, product manager from Kimber. We have the Kimber K6s 6-shot 57 Magnum Revolver. It's brand new for us. We're really excited to offer it to them. It's a 23-ounce gun, all stainless steel construction. There's an internal hammer. It's hammerless. No snag point. In fact, everything's rounded off or flattened out. You see on the cylinder here, gives a nice flat profile. We have our rear sight adjustable, front sight replaceable, and the rear sight follows the contour of the gun, so that once again is snag proof. No external crane stop on it, which keeps it snag. Once again, making a nice, great concealed carry gun. And we're pleased to offer this for a retail of $8.99.
Nice.